Good morning, my fellow light explorers. Today, I'm at the Wave in Arizona, so stick around, it's gonna be a fun day. So it's around 5:30 in the morning, and I'm on my way to the Wave. I won the permit yesterday via the walk-in lottery in Kanab. And so I decided to start my hike really early in the morning, around 3 hours before sunrise. So I'll be at the Wave area around dawn. It's really cold, around 26 degrees Fahrenheit right now. But my goal is to get to the Wave, and I have a few locations in mind for today. It should be a fun day, and so stick around, come with me, and let's see what we can find at the Wave. I've been hiking for around a little over a mile, and I'm now at the permit area. So beyond this point, it's permit only, and from here it's about roughly 1.7 to 1.8 miles to the Wave. So that is the Wave, and this is the boneyard, that direction. I came from there, from north all the way here. These are your buttes, beautiful early morning at the Wave. Right there is a Wave. That up there is Top Rock Arch, and then the alcove and Melody Arch are on top. Check that out, guys. It is really beautiful. So this here is the entrance to the Wave. We came from that direction, down the sand cove and up here. The dinosaur tracks are right there, and the boneyard is around the corner. So let me give you a tour of the entrance and what the Wave looks like. So this is the facing south. It's really pretty, as you can see, and we head south. Beautiful rock formations, tens of millions of years in the making. Now, sometimes in spring and summer, we have water in this pool here, and this butte reflects off in the water, so it's quite cool. Alright, so straight ahead is a little slot. That's my gear right there, and that's the Wave. Up there is Top Rock Arch, and I'll be climbing all the way up there in a few minutes. So let's go up and show you the conventional view of the Wave. It's really pretty. I love coming here. I've come here multiple times now. I never won the online lottery. Tried 6 years. And then I just drive to Kanab from Los Angeles, spend a few days and enter daily. And somehow I've always won the walk-in lottery. Okay, so there you have it, the Wave. So the conventional shot of the wave is an ultra wide or wide lens, you know, these swirling lines leading up to that formation in the back. I've done that last time I was here with my fisheye and my 14-24. So today my goal is not to stay and spend time here, but rather I want to go up towards Top Rock Arch, that side. But somewhere out here, I'm going to climb the hill, somewhere out there, set up my tripod, and then aim down towards the wave with my 7200. And let's see what kind of compositions I get with the plan view of the wave. So I'm going to head up there right now. Alright guys, so I reached the point I wanted to. It's a little sketchy coming up here, so be careful. It's not steep, but you got to be careful. So let's see. That's the wave right there. And this is the Coyote Buttes North area. That's the trail, and we came up all the way to the wave. My camera has the 7200 lens, so I'm just waiting for the light to change. Someone left the backpack down there, which, well, hopefully they come back and take it. Yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Just waiting for the wave to light up in the next few minutes. That is Top Rock Arch right there, where I'll be headed very shortly. And then cross that and go towards the alcove and Melody Arch. Alright guys, so I finished shooting my photographs from that location. It's really cold right now, so I'm wearing this cap. I'm headed towards Top Rock Arch and the alcove, but let me show you how it looks currently from here. So you can see that's the wave right there, some people in the wave, and I came up along that direction and climbed up this cliff all the way here and then came across this way. It's a little sketchy, and the sun feels so good right now. I am headed towards Top Rock Arch, which is right there. So let's go to Top Rock Arch. Alright guys, this is Top Rock Arch. Oh, I am winded. Okay, let's go check this out. It's quite cool. And that's the wave right there. I had taken photographs of Top Rock Arch the last time I was here. I used my 14-24 and 16mm fisheye lens. So I won't spend time here taking more photos. I'll show you the photos at the end of this video. But right now, I'm headed to the alcove, that direction. Alright, I will tell you that this route is not for those who are scared of heights. There's a longer route from the back, from the east side, which I highly recommend taking. What normally some of us do is we'll take this route coming up. It's much shorter, and then come down the longer route. So yeah, definitely sketchy. We have to go right there, and I don't like crossing over here, so I try and go up and then cross that way. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so once you hit this path here, it's all good. But you can see I came from here. It's a little sketchy. There's good traction on these rocks, so if you have good hiking shoes, you'll be fine. But like I said, if you're scared of heights, do not come this way. Alright, let's hit the alcove. This area is called the Top Rock. And this, my friends, is the beautiful alcove. It's a pretty cool spot for some fisheye shots and ultra wide shots. The problem here is that the sun tends to illuminate the area very early, and so you tend to get harsh shadows. The last time I came here, it was cloudy, so I got a very nice shot of the alcove because the light was all diffused. Alright guys, so I found one composition with my 16mm fisheye lens. I have that on my camera right now. And let's take a photo of this and see how it looks. So this is the alcove. It's really pretty. I got a couple of nice shots with my fisheye, so I think I'm pretty happy. Now let's head towards Melody Arch, which is close by. For the alcove, I will say that if you want to come here and shoot some photos, a good day is a cloudy, overcast day, so you get all the colors, or come early morning, which I know is hard because you want to be at the wave too. Once the sun comes up and hits these walls, it's really hard to get the colors and contrast, but it's still really pretty, so I can't complain. Alright, let's head to Melody Arch. So we just left the alcove right there, and now heading towards Melody Arch, which happens to be at a slightly higher elevation than the alcove. It's really pretty. Apparently this arch was named after a woman called Melody. So this is the Melody Arch on the inside, and then right there is the wall arch, or I guess, I'm not sure what else to call it. Alright, let's go in and check this out. Very cool. Those are your south teepees, I believe, and that right down there is Hamburger Rock. It looks like a Big Mac. So on the way down, I'll stop by there and show that to you. But yeah, really pretty. The grotto and Melody Arch. So I walked around this arch and I'm not feeling it right now because there's too much direct light falling on the sandstone walls and it's washing out the colors. So what I plan on doing is eating lunch here and then heading towards Hamburger Rock. If you guys want to shoot this, then I would say come here early morning or late afternoon, like I've been told. I believe it's nice in the afternoon. I haven't come here myself that late. But morning could be dicey because you're at the wave and you want the soft light there too. So it's really Sophie's choice, choose this or the wave. I would say choose the wave and come here immediately after you've shot the wave and see the lights good out here. But I'm gonna have my lunch and then head towards Big Mac, the rock, and then I'll see you there. Hey guys, so I left Melody Arch around half an hour ago and let me show you where exactly it was. So right there, you see that hole, that opening in the sandstone, that's the wall arch, I guess, and right behind that is Melody Arch. So I came all the way from there and down this cliffside, and now I'm headed towards the Big Mac, which is around this way. It's been a great day so far, can't complain. No one was there on Top Rock, I was the only one. So it was nice to have the whole place to myself. We'll do Big Mac, and honestly I'm not going to photograph there. I just want to show you guys this unique formation, rock formation that looks like a hamburger. It's so crazy. And then I'm going to head back towards the wave, maybe spend a few minutes there and then head to the second wave for the last light, sunset. And sunset today is at 5:30, so I'm hoping the last light on second wave is around 4ish, 4:30, and that'll give me enough time, daylight, to retrace my steps and get back to my car. So that's the location of Melody Arch and Wall Arch, and I'm heading now towards the Big Mac, and I think when you round this corner we should see it. Let's see. Oh yeah, there it is in all its glory. So there's your Melody Arch, and here we have the Big Mac. Really cool feature. Looks like a Big Mac. Pretty crazy. Alright, let's go around this. By the way, those in the back are the South teepees. Beautiful. Check this out. So this might be a good one to photograph in the morning when there's no direct light at dawn. But like I said, your focus that time would be the wave. So come in the afternoon when the sun's gone behind the cliffs and the Big Mac's in the shadow. It's nice and colorful. You'll get some good shots. I'll take a few photos with my iPhone and I'll post those in this video. Alright guys, so I'm now at the mini wave. So let's take a look. It's looking pretty amazing. Check that out. This is right next to the wave and a lot of people don't come here. But yeah, it's got some great light. For sure. Let's check that side too. Go up and see what's there. Yep, very cool. Very cool. So this is a mini wave, and What I'm planning on doing is using my fisheye to take some exposures. I've set my camera up there already, so I'll take some exposures here and then we'll head to the wave and then finally the second wave. Looking good. And we are back at the wave. Let me show you how it looks now in the afternoon. So this was where we entered from early morning, and it looks so different now in the afternoon. There's a little bit of light streaming through the canyon walls and hitting the cliff on the north side. The glow on the walls is just stunning. All right, let's walk towards the wave. Let's take a peek here on this side. Really pretty reflected light now in the afternoon. Going up and very pretty. Okay, so let's head back now to the main attraction. It's surprising today there was no one that came up to Top Rock. Most people come to the wave and just stay here for an hour or so and head right back, not realizing there's so much around to see. Alright, so before I show you the perspective, let's talk about this morning. So I climbed up this cliff and I was right there shooting photographs of those folks in the morning, and then I went across to Top Rock Arch and crossed that over and headed south towards the alcove and Melody Arch. So yeah, I don't recommend that climb for people who have fear of heights. It is a little steep in places, and if you get vertigo, don't bother. All right, and here is the wave in the evening light, looking just beautiful. Well guys, here we are, the last destination for today, the second wave. It's about a few hundred feet from the main wave, and this one is best at sunset. So you can see the rich orange light is really making this rock glow, and the cliffs in the back will soon be in complete shadow, so that'll stand out. So I'm going to take my 7200 and make a composition, shoot some pictures, and then head back to my car. So I'm back on the west side. That right there is a wave. So you got to go down on the sand and climb up that sand dune right there, and then you hit the wave. So now we got to head off home in this direction. Alright guys, so I am out of the permit area. From this point onwards, you need a permit to hike to the wave. And you must display your permit on your backpack. And the trail now goes that way. It's a well-marked trail back to the parking lot. It's around 1 mile. And so I should be there in about 15-20 minutes. So yeah, the most important thing is to get out of that permit area before dark, because it's completely unmarked, barring those 3 or 4 markers towards the end. And if you ever get lost here in the dark, it's not fun trying to find your way out. Alright, 1 mile to hike back to the car. Well, that concludes my adventure at the wave. I really hope you enjoyed this day with me. It was an amazing day for me, right from waking up early morning, driving to Wire Pass Trailhead, hiking in complete darkness to the boneyard, and then hitting the second wave, the wave, Top Rock Arch, the alcove, Melody Arch, the Big Mac, and back to the wave. If you like this video, then like, share, subscribe as always. It really helps my small channel grow. And until next time, this is the Light Explorer signing out of beautiful Wave.